In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your total profit on Robinhood, both for your entire account and for individual stocks you've invested in. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced investor wanting a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the steps in a clear and easy to understand way so you can quickly see how your portfolio is performing. Let's get started by logging into your Robinhood account on the Robinhood website. Make sure you use a secure internet connection and your credentials are correct for safety reasons. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your account. Right on the landing page, look for an option that says All. Click on All to display a summary of your investing activity over the entire period you've been using Robinhood. This area gives you a comprehensive view of your overall investment journey. Immediately underneath the word Investing, you'll see a section that shows your all-time profit. This number reflects your total gains or losses since you started using Robinhood, accounting for all trades and investments. It's a great way to get a quick sense of how your entire portfolio has performed over time. But maybe you want a closer look at how individual stocks in your portfolio are doing. Robinhood makes it pretty straightforward to check this as well. To dig into the details for specific stocks, start by clicking on Account. This will take you to a new section focused on your personal finance information within the platform. From there, click on Investing. This section breaks down all of your investments and provides a more granular look at each asset you own. Here, you'll want to pay attention to the total return displayed for your stocks. The total return tells you how much profit or loss you've made on each individual stock since you first bought it. It's a helpful way to assess which stocks are performing best and which might need a closer review. If you want even more specifics, click directly on the total return for a stock. This will open up extra details, including something called market value. Your market value shows the current worth of your holdings, and right next to it, you'll see your current profit for that particular stock. This can help guide your future investment decisions and give you a real-time estimate of where you stand. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stay on top of your profits within Robinhood, both in total and at the level of individual investments. Remember to check your portfolio regularly to monitor your gains and use this information to make informed decisions moving forward. Thanks for watching and happy investing.